Hi, I'm Priyanka, the kitchen diva behind Kitchen Addiction.
Hi, I'm Sailesh, the guy who makes muscles and motivation happen at Anytime Fitness.
When food and fitness come together,
Get ready for an explosion. Watch us exclusively on.
#couple goals unfiltered with Red.
And now we are going to play the compatibility test.
When I was setting up my restaurant, what was the one moment that made you say, she's got this?
From the beginning.
From the beginning.
One dish from Kitchen Addiction that defines our love.
Rajgar Kodupalo. Absolutely. What's one silly little gesture I did back then that totally stole your heart?
You smile.
Okay,
Do you remember the one place we used to hang out that no one knows about?
I do. Do you?
Fine. We don't have to tell it out, right?
No,
Because no one
okay.
knows about it, so no one knows about it.
That everybody knows about, so we can say Foodex. We used to chill a lot at Foodex and Jack Frost. Anytime Fitness or Kitchen Addiction, what's your favorite place?
Both of them in the same building. So I just shuffle between every 15 minutes. I'm up and down in the afternoons. So
You have to choose one. Choose one.
Anytime Fitness.
Okay.
Do you remember what I wore the first time we met?
That was like what, millions of years ago. You were wearing black t-shirt. Yeah.
Most of the time.
You were wearing black t-shirt. I remember. I can explain the entire situation also if you want me to. What was going on in your mind when we met for the first time? Don't answer it. No.
She thought that I don't know who I was talking to. That's it. On the.
What?
Anyways, I think.
No. You can't confuse them.
Is this how I'm gonna meet the woman of my dreams?
What? Nonsense. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
No, that's the answer. That's my
Woman of your dreams.
girl of my dreams.
Girl of your dreams. What's your idea of fitness? Dancing, walking, or lifting me?
I don't dance and walk, so lifting you.
Okay, I'm happy.
What's my favorite date spot in the city? Share a profound memory of us from that spot.
I think we both have the same favorite spot that when we were dating back then, maybe a long drive towards Rishikonda. We used to sit and talk for hours together. So many life decisions, so many life-changing decisions happened there. So yeah. If I were a workout, what kind would I be? Intense HIIT or slow and spicy?
Slow and spicy.
Okay, you think I'm slow and spicy? Alright. Pick one. More lifts or more love?
More love.
Okay. This or that? Weights or waffles?
Waffles any day.
Cheat day or leg day?
Cheat day.
Abs or apps on the phone?
Abs.
The segment's name is called as How Well Do You Know Each Other? Who said let's get married first?
He said,
I said let's get married.
ఎప్పుడో చెప్పావు నువ్వు మర్చిపోయి ఉంటావు
I'll get married enough.
I'll get married చెప్పలేదు శైలేష్ కొడతా
Okay.
నేను ఓకే
Okay.
Who remembers dates and anniversaries better? Who gives better hugs? I have two different answers.
నేనే కదా.
ఓకే
Who is more dramatic when sick? Who takes 100 selfies but posts only one?
No, I don't take selfies. No, see, I take the question. If I take 100 and then post one, I don't take it.
I also don't take 100 selfies.
There are.
I
100
also
in
have
mine.
my phone. So you want me to change it or what?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Me.
Who is a bigger foodie? Who is more addicted to reels? Who is more obsessed with the mirror? Who wins most arguments?
See, that's how she wins it.
Moving on to the next segment, it's called the Love Scoreboard. write a message on the box that you have for your partner.
Forever and always. Heart, Priyanka.
Stay the same. Love always.
The next segment is called as the 3-second challenge, and you have only 3 seconds to answer. What's the first word your partner says every morning?
Fred. Apde lagala.
What's your partner's go-to drama line in a fight?
Fred.
What?
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఇంతే.
Which country is on your bucket list that you haven't visited yet?
Red. Japan.
One app your partner must have on the phone.
అవును. Fred. WhatsApp.
First selfie you took together.
Fred. మర్చిపో. 2011.
Oh, where was it?
Where was it?
In the car.
In the car, yeah. To know more about us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary edition.